Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So today I'm here to officially introduce my channel and it would be including dance plus motivational videos. I've been trying to post motivational videos from the beginning, but I was never stick to it. So I guess this after this video I'll be stick to it because now I have just announced officially. So I'll try my best to make this a habit of posting a dance video and a motivational video, and this is somewhere all for myself because that's what I want to include in my life. And so today I would be talking about move forward with several options in your mind. The motivation videos I would be posting, I'll still think on that weekly, monthly, or how many videos. I'll just think on that, but I'll fix it. So yeah, move forward with several options in your mind is the topic for today's video. And this basically includes that life cannot just walk on one pathway. You are freely and easy to choose different paths, change your paths, walk on the roads you wish to. There is no obligation in changing a path. There is no problem in changing your path. So keep several options in your mind. I know that you are doing one thing, you are dedicated to do one thing, but that doesn't mean that after 5 or 6 years you will be do that thing with same dedication. So just keep exploring yourself. Even if you are grown up, you have learned all the basic things, explore new things. Explore new things and try doing new things, because somewhere it may help you in your life. It may not help you now, but it may definitely help you in the coming years of your life. Because some professions are set for years, like you can do it only those things at a certain age, and after that age you just can't follow that, like sports or like accounts work. I guess there is a age limit for that also. There is not an age limit, but the person cannot do that for a longer time. And I also think that content writing is also such thing. You have to keep changing your field, keep growing up. You obviously like writing, but you should also explore new sections for you, for the benefit. For the benefit, not for just growth, but mentally, peace, excitement, and the excitement for learning new things. That's the main reason. Because after some period of time, we are just used to our work schedule, we are just used to everything, we know how to do it, we know what to do it. But after starting something new in your life, there is always an excitement till some months, till a level we can say. So try doing new things and never stop exploring. That's the thing I want to say. And I didn't prepare for it, but this was the only thing I wanted to talk about for a longer time, because there is no issue in taking 3 4 ideas in your mind and working. Like I am whatever age I am, but I am still having like 100 of ideas. I want to be this, I want to be that, and I'm serious about that. I'm definitely serious about that, and I'm definitely going to try them in my life at whatever age, at whatever stage. I'm definitely going to do it, and it's definitely so many times. So yeah, that's it. I have written only Friday motivation. It's the front camera, but yeah, making this video I got the point what I actually wanted to say. Now I will note it down and remember it. There are some books that I read, and some of them are just so motivational to me. Like I have some of them, like yeah, Robin Sharma is my favorite author. And after reading his books, they are not just one time reader. My sister gave this to me, and they are not just one time. I don't read this one time. I mark it, and whenever I feel low, I just open. I need to read, and I'm like, ah, yeah, I think he's right. I think this is the motivation I need. So maybe you'll get you that doesn't mean like watching motivational videos will motivate you, but watching and implementing those would definitely motivate you. So yeah, not only like motivational speakers motivate me, but also seeing people work and working so interestingly in their field, and dedicatedly their time schedule and all really motivates me. So yeah, that's it. So don't worry, change your fields, try it on. Life is great, and whatever you will try, it'll be great. So I guess I'll upload this completely raw. So let's see. Bye. Thank you so much. Also, do like, share, and subscribe. I will work on fixing the videos because I really want to work on this in a better way. And I was thinking to do it for the longest time, like from last 2 years when I started this channel. And since then I have written that dance and motivational videos, but I guess this would be my third or fourth video. So let me know, please let me know in the comment section that did this conversation helped or not helped, or did you enjoyed, and did you find something connection, some connection. Okay, bye, बहुत हो गया.